Arthritis and the aging population, how to cope. Did you know that evidence of arthritis has been discovered in dinosaurs? While this fact may not make your elderly parent feel much better about their condition, there are plenty of helpful tips and tricks in this video. If you would like to know more about arthritis and ways that you can ease the effects, then watch this video. For those who suffer from osteoarthritis, it is important that you have enough vitamin C in your diet. Medical research has shown that vitamin C reduces pain in osteoarthritis patients and helps prevent it in young people. You can get vitamin C from many fruits, such as oranges, or you can take a supplement. For people who suffer from chronic arthritis, be careful when choosing a pet for your family. Remember, if your arthritis is acting up or even gets worse, it may be hard for you to care for your pet. Instead, you may want to consider getting a pet that is easier to take care, such as a fish. Cool down your joints and stop physical activity if you start feeling arthritis pain. Rest in a cool environment and use cold packs or mist of cold water to help reduce the pain and swelling caused by injury. Make sure to rest the injured joints and let them have time to get back to fighting order before using them for any difficult tasks. Treat yourself to a massage to help your arthritis pain. Seeing a trained massage therapist can help soothe your sore muscles, reduce your swelling and inflammation. You can also see these same benefits at home by massaging the affected areas for just a few minutes a day. Make sure to use oils or creams to make it as gentle as possible. In conclusion, you have learned not only that arthritis has been affecting living beings, much longer than recorded history, but you also picked up a few ways that you can make it easier for you or your loved ones to live with the condition. Hopefully, you can start using this today and live a happier life. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.